So it's another cold picture out there, a mixture of rain, sleet and snow currently affecting the region, and it's going to stay cold through the next few days. That will bring with it some further wintry hazards in the form of icy stretches, and as the week wears on, perhaps an increasing risk of seeing some freezing fog as well. For now, yellow warnings in force from the Met Office for that snowfall, gradually easing away eastwards as the night wears on, just leaving behind a few showers, moving in on the northeasterly breeze and a lot of cloud as well. Temperature-wise, close to freezing for all of us, just below in some rural spots, and that will be low enough to give rise to some icy stretches first thing tomorrow morning. So take good care if you're up and out early. Aside from that, it looks like a very promising day. Any early cloud and showers drifting away, and then we'll be left with dry and fine conditions. Largely blue skies overhead as we head through tomorrow afternoon, but it's not going to help the temperatures. It will be another cold one, bitterly cold in fact, in the breeze, with highs for many of us just 3 or 4 degrees Celsius. If you're heading to the coast to enjoy some of that winter sunshine, these are the times of high water. Chatham there 7:30 in the morning and around 8:30 in the evening. So a very quiet end to the day tomorrow, but another clear, cold and frosty night as we head into Friday. You'll notice out towards the west a weak weather front. I think that's where it will stay. We'll see very little in the way of rain or sleet coming towards us. And so through the next few days, the emphasis really does remain on largely dry conditions. As I said, still cold for a time, icy stretches, freezing fog patches possible, but perhaps a slight uptick in the temperatures as we start the new week. Take care for now. Bye-bye. So it is looking very cold out there still, some sleet and snow around at the moment, and it's going to stay cold through the next few days, bringing further wintry hazards in the form of some icy stretches and perhaps some freezing fog as the week wears on as well. But for now, yellow warnings for all and amber warning out towards the far west as well. Those will all expire though as the mix of rain, sleet and snow clears away eastwards. And then through the rest of the night, we're looking at largely dry conditions. A lot of cloud down towards the south and east, clearer up towards the north and west, and here a widespread frost developing. But for all of us, an ongoing risk of some icy stretches as we start tomorrow morning. The cloud will continue to clear as we head through the first few hours of the day, and thereafter things are looking glorious for this time of year. Dry, largely sunny skies, very little in the way of cloud to speak of, but it is not going to help the temperatures. Another bitterly cold day tomorrow with highs just 3 or 4 Celsius. At least the winds will be on the lighter side. Now these are the times of high water tomorrow if you're heading to the coast to enjoy some of that sunshine. For Poole there 7:45 in the morning and just before 8 in the evening. A quiet end to the day tomorrow then, and overnight into Friday, another clear, cold picture. Temperatures probably well below freezing in some spots. By Friday morning, we will see another weather front starting to drift in from the south and west. A very weak affair and really struggling to make much in the way of headway. But just worth noting, as the rain bumps into the cold air again, we do have that risk of a little bit of sleet and snow. Looking ahead to the next few days then, as I said, the risk of something a little bit sleety on Friday, but drier into the weekend, maybe a slow, slight recovery in those temperatures.